Your bash history, which is what you see when you press the up arrow in a terminal, doesn't persist in a dev container after you rebuild. To make that happen, let's do the following. Open your Docker file and add a variable. The value of this variable is going to contain a command which does a few things. The first thing that it's going to do is set the value of the prompt command variable, and it's going to set it to show all history. Then we're going to set the value of the hist file to a location where the history will be stored. Create that directory, and then create the bash history file inside. And then change the permissions so that we can write to the file. Finally, we'll copy this whole long command into your bashrc file using this thing here, which is called the write shift operator. Last, we need to specify a mount in the dev container.json so we have a place to write to on your local machine that will be persisted even if the container gets completely removed, and we need to specify that as a volume mount. Now, whenever you rebuild your container, your bash history will be persisted.